Appending to Pandas DataFrame with categorical columns. How do I append to a Pandas DataFrame containing predefined columns of categorical data type? The above throws me an error. Update: if the categories are strings as opposed to ints, appending seems to work. So, how do I append to data frames with categories of int values? Secondly, I presume that with binary values, 0, 1, storing the column as categorical instead of numeric data type would be more efficient or faster. Is this true? If not, I may not even bother to convert my columns to categorical type.
You have to keep both data frames consistent. As you are converting the column A from first data frame as categorical, you need do the same for second data frame. You can do it as following. Hope this helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.